Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Chef Carlton here. I'm going to ask you guys to please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Share my videos guys, give me a comment, like, share. So for the longest I've been doing this channel and I've been doing mostly stuff that I feel like cooking that day or whatever gets to my mind. I decide to make a video on it. I want to get you guys involved more, especially the people that works with me to feel it daily and see me every day. Start giving me ideas. What you guys want to see me do, what you guys want to see me prepare, what you guys want to see me cook. And I'll walk you guys through it, do a video for you guys as always. So again, remember to hit that subscribe button, share my videos guys, and I appreciate it. And don't ask what I'm drinking because I won't tell you. Alright guys, so I'm going to be making some orange chicken and it's going to be made from scratch. I literally got the orange and the chicken and all my ingredients that I'm going to use to make this orange chicken. So stick around, let me get everything prepped and everything in a line, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, now we got our egg whisk, we got our freshly squeezed orange juice, vinegar, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, sugar, ginger, cornstarch, flour. I just gotta cut my chicken now, then we'll be ready to prepare this orange chicken. All right, so we're gonna start by cutting our chicken into bite-sized pieces, and I'm using the chicken breast tenderloin, so they're already small. I just gotta cut them in bite-sized pieces, so nothing about that. And then guys, chicken is washed and prepared. I saw a lot of debates online whether you should wash chicken, you should not wash chicken. I'm actually going to do a video explaining to you guys why I wash the chicken, but I'm also going to explain to you guys why a lot of people tell you do not wash the chicken. A lot of people don't understand the concept of behind not washing the chicken and why the FDA recommend not washing the chicken. But any island people could tell you, the Jamaican could tell you that you gotta wash that chicken. A lot of even Americans will tell you gotta wash the chicken. But I see the point of the people who said don't wash the chicken. I see where they're coming from. But I'm gonna explain to you guys more in detail in another video. The whole reason behind both sides of the party. Alright guys, let's start by breading our chicken. So we're gonna start with our egg mixture. And we're going to combine, we're going to add the flour and the cornstarch, a pinch of salt. All right, you're going to fold it in together and just keep like a empty python or plate or something to put the chicken on when you finish. Alright, so we're going to repeat this process as many times as possible. So you're going to first start by dipping the chicken in the egg. And guys, make sure your hands are clean for this one, guys. Wear gloves if you need to. Alright, so you dip the chicken in the egg. Make sure you get all of that egg off, then the flour. Get a nice coat. And you don't got to double dip. Just make sure you get the flour in there. And I'm not gonna do each and every single piece. I'm just showing you guys the concept. So you got one in the flour, place it on your tin. You go again, egg. Get it real good. I'm just gonna skip through to when I'm finished, guys, so we don't waste time. I know time is of the essence. All right, team, this is what your end product should look like. Now we're gonna go ahead and heat some oil, and we're gonna go and deep fry these for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And I'm using a cast iron skillet for this, guys, so don't turn your flame up too high because you know when you cure cast iron, your flame needs to be in low to medium heat, not too high. All right. So let's just get this time to get hot to where we can start frying our chicken. All right, so let's check if our oil is ready. Oh yeah. So let's go ahead and add, you could do them in batches if you don't have a big enough skillet. We don't got a deep fryer at home. Do them in batches. Just want to rotate so they get nice and golden. I'm cooking on low heat, guys. You don't want to do this on high heat. If you do this on high heat, you damage your cookware. You also ruin your food. Alright, so I didn't want you guys to miss the color and the process. So we're not there yet, but as you guys could see, we're starting to get that nice golden brown. Not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Another minute or 30 seconds and we'll be there. And remember, you got to cook on medium heat, don't rush it. Alright guys, here we are. Now we're at that nice golden brown that we're looking for. We're going to go ahead and take these out. Place them on your paper towel. Alright, now we're going to do our sauce. For the good thing about this part is there is no specific way or steps to do. You just add all the ingredients. So I'm going to start by adding the orange juice, freshly squeezed. Add our soy sauce. And add our sugar. Add our red pepper flake. Ginger. I don't do too much ginger now. A little bit of white vinegar. Some garlic powder. Alright. Then you're just going to go ahead and turn your stove to super low. Really, really low. You want to see, well, not all. You want to do super low. Alright. You just want to mix all of that in. Let that cook for 2 minutes. Then you're going to mix a teaspoon of cornstarch. Just a teaspoon. So you're gonna mix a teaspoon in some water and just mix that out. And that's what's gonna act like a paste. That's what's gonna give it that sticky texture when you add it to the sauce, when you add your chicken to it. We're almost there, guys. I'm hungry now. And of course, as I told you guys, you don't use for the long life of your cookware, always trying to use rubber or tough plastic. You don't want to use iron or aluminum or metal or any of those harder to scratch your stuff up. Alright, we're almost there. Now we could add the mixture. Alright, now that we add that mixture, we're gonna let this cook for around 5 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys when it's there. Alright, so this is the exact texture you want your sauce to be. You see that? We're not too runny. Alright, so in a saucepan on medium heat, you're gonna go ahead and add your sauce. I'm gonna add the chicken. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and plate up, and we're gonna have this today with some white rice. And as you guys see by now, when I do videos with rice, I don't do the old cliche rice in a cup plate up. I think that's so, I'm not trying to knock it or anything, but I think it's kind of cliche. So I'll just put rice on my plate. Abstract, be rustic looking, no specific order. All right.